During the middle school years, students change more than at any other time of their life outside of infancy. These changes are physical, emotional, as well as in their social lives. It is our job at Redwood Middle School to create an environment where all students feel safe, supported, and have a strong sense of belonging. Though Redwood is a large middle school, we make the school feel smaller for our students and teachers by creating smaller academic teams, which allows for teachers to target their support, energy, and resources towards those students on their team. We work hard to make sure that students are not only learning to be excellent students, but we are also focused on making sure we are developing excellent human beings. With all of the resources of a large, comprehensive school, we work every day to make every student feel safe, supported, and have a strong sense of belonging as a Redwood Middle School warrior. Join us as we share with you how we prepare our students academically, socially, and emotionally, as well as provide opportunities for them to excel in the arts, athletics, and through many extracurricular activities.
I think Redwood is a really great place for kids to come to school. You have the advantage of a big school. So we offer a lot of elective choices that are not necessarily doable at a smaller school. We have a full sports program, which, you know, for middle schoolers, that's really important. It's a big part of their life. So we have full sports, full elective, and the teaming still creates that small connection. Teaming allows a big school to have a small school within it. And in order to get the kids into smaller groups, we create teams. And so I work on a team of 168 kids with 4 teachers that are dedicated to that team. It means that we really start to get to know them. And also the kids feel like they belong somewhere, you know? And that's super important in life.
So for middle schoolers, what we offer in the fall is soccer, cross country, and volleyball. Our winter sports are boys basketball and girls basketball. And then in spring, we offer co-ed badminton and co-ed track and field. Facility-wise, again, we have the big gym, we have the small gym, we have the swimming pool. We also have an all-weather track with artificial turf on there that's utilized throughout the year. I think once kids get out of the classroom setting, you know, there's a lot more activity that happens in the PE setting with students being able to interact with other students. Most of the students end up liking PE because it is a chance to kind of get that energy out a little bit while also hanging out with friends and doing activities.
So in terms of academics at Redwood, one of the things that the teachers realize is middle schoolers are a unique group. And really, there's an old adage in education, they don't care what you know till they know that you care. So there's a lot of touching base with kids, making sure everything is going well with them, in math, trying to find a lot of examples that touch on their lives, and really a focus on inquiry. So you're out there as parents and you've got a lot of choices now of where to send your kids. There are several middle school programs in town. I can tell you this, if you bring your child to Redwood, they're going to be with a group of adults who care about them far more than just their test scores. Are we going to do everything we can to make them academically successful? Absolutely. That's a huge focus of ours. But a bigger focus is to make sure that your child comes here every day feeling safe and leaves every day feeling safe and has a sense that this is an extension of family. This is a place where adults care about them and treat them respectfully and want to see them be the best young people they can be.